So magandang umaga. Meron ako na-receive na Valentine's greeting ngayon na sobrang lupit. I-share ko sa inyo. Ito ang pinakamalupit na Valentine's greeting na narinig ko. Kung hindi mo ako i-greet ng ganito, ng Happy Valentine's, salamat na lang. Alright?
Happy Valentine's, friend. Happy Valentine's, friend. May the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together. May you two never stop loving each other. Remember, the best and beautiful moments cannot be seen. They have to be felt. So may the love and happiness you feel today shine through the years. Happy Valentine's.
Yes, sir! May outro pa yan.